Hello everyone, welcome to Sampoorn Media Gyan. I am Dr. Shweta Gaud Sharma. In this video, we will talk about types of event. Before starting types of event, let's talk about what is event. So the basic meaning of event is anything that happen as distinguished from anything that exists or an occurrence, especially one of great importance. Events are happening often used to suggest that what happened was on an unusual scale, memorable, etc. Most of us participate in events, but managing the events are the difficult task to achieve its objective. So, the events industry segment can be divided into several key subsegments that include corporate events, competition, decoration, cultural events, sports events, festivals, celebrations, personal and social events. Classification of events can be done on basis of size and variety, as you can see in PPT. According to this size, here are three important points. So, first is mega events, second regional events, third one is minor events. And if we go to the variety, we are find over here social and life private events, educational and career based events, sports event, entertainment events, political events, corporate event, fundraising events and religious events. So according to the size, three important elements are very important, that are target audience, duration and reach. So let's start the types of events according to the size. So now you can see over here the mega events. Gates in 2005 defines mega events by way their size or significance are those that yield extraordinary high levels of tourism, media coverage, prestige or economic impact for the host community, venue or organization. The largest events are called mega events, which generally targeting international market. The Olympic Games, World Cup, Soccer, etc. are the some of the best example of mega event. Another example of mega event can be the best example, that is Mahakumbh Mela, the largest religious gathering in history. So here we find out the second type, regional events according to the size. Regional events are the designed to increase the appeal of a specific tourism destination or region. Fanfare, the world's biggest country music festival and art is the big example for that. The main motive of regional events is to increase the tourist destinations, achieving market positioning for the both domestic and international tourism markets through their annual events like Tomato Festival, Dubai Shopping Festival, Goa Carnival. So here we have the third event according to the size, which is minor event. Most of events fall in this last category due to less reach and limited target audience. And it is here the most event managers gain their experience. Almost every town, city, states, country host annual events. In this category of agriculture fairs and expo, there is a literally thousands of countries, state which is organizing these kinds of event. In addition to annual events, there are many one-time events including historical, cultural, music and dance performance, meetings, parties, celebration, convocation, award ceremonies, exhibition, sports event and many other community and social events fit in this category. Now let's discuss the, according to the variety we are dividing the events into different types. So first of all, here we have social, life and private event. This social event is an event characteristics of a person's forming groups. Event something that happens at a given place and time. Show a social event involving a public performance or entertainment. They wanted to see some of the shows on Broadway. Social events should speak someone's personal interest and tend to resolve all eating, entertainment, or both. This kind of cycle events like birthday party, hand stage party, graduation day, bachelor party, engagement, wedding, anniversary, retirement date, funeral and etc. comes in this category social life or private. So according to the variety, education and career is also the events. Career fair is an exciting platform for introducing your institution or eagerly and growing market of a large potential pool of students. Career fair now has proved to be a strong and cost effective marketing platform for universities, colleges and educational institutions to reach out very cost effective to the large number of parents and students who are interested in pursuing education in India and abroad. Career fair is high value, well branded and highly publicized event which is considered as a lifeline for many educational institutions for student recruitment. Events like education fair, job fair, workshop, seminar, conference, debate, symposium, contest and competition are the appropriate example for education and career events. Next variety is sport events. Sporting events are held in all towns, cities, countries and states throughout the nation. They attract international sportsmen and women at the highest level. Tennis, golf, baseball, football, basketball, downhill ski racing and air racing are just few examples for this. These major events are matched at all local level by sporting competition for players at all levels. For example, the program held annually at most golf courses allow members to play with professional golfers. This event is usually the highlights of the golfing calendar and require considerable effort by the team supporting it, including the club committee, the club manager, the club professional, ground support, club administrative and catering. So in sports event like Olympics, World Cup, marathon, wrestling matches etc. are the good example for that. Here we have entertainment event as a variety. Entertainment events are well known for their ability to attract large audience and reach. Entertainment events like music concerts, fairs, festivals, fashion shows, award functions, celebrity nights, flash mob, jewelry shows, stage shows are the good example for this entertainment events. Next one is your political events like political processions, demonstrations, rally, political function are the good example for the political events organized by the event companies. Here we have the corporate events, and corporate events we can say as a MICE, M-I-C-E, which means M for meetings, I for incentives, C for conferences and E for exhibition. A part of it we have product launches, road shows, buyer and seller meet. We hear the term corporate events all the time, but what does it actually refer to? Put a simply thing, a corporate event is an activity that's organized by a business and is intended for employees, clients, stakeholders, a charity or public. The audience usually depends on what the aim of the event is. For example, to launch a new product or service, to celebrate the achievement of staff members or to demonstrate the expertise within the specific field. Events will be held quarterly or annually, while other might be one-off activity perhaps to coincide with the important announcement or in the order of present and award. First of all, let's discuss the M. Board meeting and shareholder meeting. M means meetings. Board meetings and shareholder meetings both serves essential purposes. Board meeting serves an opportunity for board members to meet to review business performance and meet with company executives to make important decisions. Shareholder meetings provide companies the opportunity to share recent performances, target future goals and business strategies with their shareholders. These meetings held annually, biannually or even quarterly. These two types of meeting can be small internal meeting of board members or prestigious large-scale business events for shareholders that range a size depending on the size of the company and shareholder that will be turned out to them. Next one is your I, which means incentives. Here we have the executive retreats and incentive programs. Business development and organizational planning are typically the topic of the agenda for these retreats, but equal weight is given to enjoyable activities as a part of original incentives and reward. Second one is appreciation events. These programs allow an event host to spend informal time with the guest in the non-traditional environment, giving both parties an opportunity to build rapport and learn more about the mutual business priority. Appreciation events can range from program geared towards employee appreciation to those for showing client appreciation, both of which have become a staple in corporate. Now we have the C term, which means conferences. Now here is a seminar and conferences. Organization plan and hold these meetings with targeted audience and provide them with relevant information. Seminars are usually shorter events lasting anywhere from a couple of hours or a few work days. They have single or multiple speakers and generally keep all participants together in the same space. Conferences, on the other hand, typically have multiple sessions. They are usually held at hotels, beginning with the keynote sessions and other offering breakouts session by the topics. One is RE, means exhibition or trade shows. Organizations often attend trade shows as a lead generation activity. Companies may also choose to host or sponsor a trade show to reinforce their image as an industry leader among those who attend it. Next one is company and organization milestones. Company milestones provide a business or organization the opportunity to celebrate a grand opening or other major milestones or anniversaries. Next one, the event is organized by the corporate, that is team building events. Team building events are meant to boost employee confidence, goodwill and morale. These events also provide a unique opportunity for employees to spend time together in non-working environment. Team building events are meant to just what they say, outdoor and physical group activities through corporate team building events. In fact, companies all around the nation specialize in hosting team building events in interact indoor and outdoor courses of their own design, or team building events can also include workshop about emotions in their workplace as well as sensitive training. Next one, corporate event, is product launch event. Product launch event can range from internal meeting to inform all employees about any upcoming products to full-blown launch parties that creates a buzz surrounding a product's release among customer and the media. Product launch event also most of the common for business to consumer B2C companies. Launch events are meant to generate media coverage and industry buzz prior to the product release. These events may include a flashy introduction of the product along with the address from the company's most important executives. Large product launches also tend to feel more like a big parties with well-known guests, dinner and entertainment depending in the industry. Apple and Tesla are two companies that have perfect model for the product launch events. Next one is the religious events. It can be merged also into the social events category, but here we are differently present it, which means like religious festivals, fairs, religious processions, katha, satsang, pravachan, Diwali fairs, Dashera, extra are coming into this category. Next variety is fundraising and cause related events. Fairs, which are common in most communities, are frequently run by enthusiastic local communities. The effort and the organization required for these events are often understand or underestimated, as their general aim is raising funds. There is also the risk that attendees will spend all their money on these activities and ignore those that are more profitable to the charitable cause. A number of legal requirements must be met for the charitable fundraiser. If we talk about fundraising and cause related events, any event can be turned into the fundraising or cause related events like auctions. Charity events are used for individual to raise money for a charity for their choice by events such as society balls, sports events, charitable auctions. Some charity events may ask for sponsor for their individual partaking in an event to raise money for the charities. These events range from sponsored runs, sponsored cycling, sponsored skydiving, sponsored walks, and much more. The charity events industry is very diverse industry due to anyone can go to the charity venue. Contribution of charity event suggested that supporting the community that supports your local business by picking a worthwhile local charity and charitable events, you can gain much goodwill by contributing to a charity within your community, and over the long it will benefit your business through the contacts you make and the relationship to build. This is due to the public and community getting involved to the help of raising money for your charity like school, business, manufacturers. Loins in 2012 says sponsorship represent a give and take between a non-profit and a business. The business donates money towards cost associated with the charity event, and in turn the charity events afford the business low cost public exposure and marketing. A charity sponsored success rate is strongly depend on the perks that is can be offered potential business partners. So in this video we talk about types of event according to the size. It is mega events, regional events, minor events, and according to the variety it is social, life and private, or educational and career events, sports events, entertainment events, political events, corporate events, fundraising events, and regional events. Here we discuss with the types of events. In my next video, we will discuss on another topic related to events. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel Sampoorn Media Gyan. Thank you.